say anything in specific that you have planned to achieve your goals.
Very good morning to everyone present and to the zonal competitors present here as well. This is Rishabh Jaiswal, 2016 pass out from Kolkata, Jadavpur University. I'm currently employed in Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. I joined this company this year itself. I don't know whether it would take me 5 years or even more than that, but to answer your question, in the personal life, I see myself achieving more towards a more accountable and a more responsible person. And in the professional life, you know, every organization has a pyramid structure, from the management trainees to the graduate apprentice trainees to the MDs and CEOs. So my target will be achieving the hierarchy, the upward hierarchy structure. And I don't know whether it would take me 5 years. I think it would take me more than 20 years to achieve that. You know, everyone who targets up PSUs and specifically oil companies have a doubt between IOCL and BPCL. Though IOCL has a bigger brand name but BPCL has a more good work-life culture and higher profits. So I just want to know which is a better PSUs to work in. You know, everyone who targets up PSUs and specifically oil companies have a doubt between IOCL and BPCL. Though IOCL has a bigger brand name but BPCL has a more good work-life culture and higher profits. So I just want to know which is a better PSUs to work in.
So Rishabh, you spoke about the hierarchy,
Yeah.
the pyramid structure. And you also said that it will take 20 years for you to reach the top of the pyramid.
Yes.
For becoming CEO or MD of a company. But there is a way by which you can turn this pyramid upside down. Tell me
Start
any.
your own company.
Start your own company. Bang on target, Pooja. So if you really want to, if your aspiration is to lead a team, if your aspiration is to get into those realms, that orbit where you are doing a leadership job, then I think the best thing to do is to start your own company. And it has never been a better time in India to do that. You know, the entire ecosystem which was non-existent 4 to 5 years ago is right in place in India. There are so many, youngsters, young guys who have done fabulous jobs in startups. And I sincerely feel that if that is what is your calling, and if that is what you want to really do in life, do not wait for 20 years. Do it now.
Okay, thanks a lot.
That was rightly said. Well, start right now. I'm sure you will definitely be able to be right there.